Good day, everyone. Today we will present the 80% completion of our game project titled Don't Get FDA. In our previous update, we already improved the graphics, movement physics, obstacle, backgrounds, and added multiple levels starting from the house going to school. At this stage, our goal is to make the game feel closer to a real student experience. Because of that, we added new mechanics that create pressure and challenge for the player. The first major feature we added is the timer system. The timer represents the limited time a student has before class starts. The player must reach the classroom before the time runs out. If the timer reaches zero, the player fails the level and has to start. This simulates being late or absent in school, which relates to getting FDA. Because of the timer, players now need to move faster but also carefully. They cannot wait too long before crossing obstacles. They must balance speed and accuracy, similar to managing time in real life. We also added Level 3, which is currently the hardest level in the game. Compared to earlier levels, Level 3 has more obstacles, smaller platforms, and requires better timing. The player must already understand the mechanics from previous stages to complete it. This level represents the increasing academic pressure students feel as deadline and exam get closer. The timer and obstacle now work together, forcing the player to stay calm, react quickly, and avoid mistakes.
With this update, our game is now 80% complete. The addition of the timer and level 3 makes the gameplay more challenging and more connected to real student experience. For the remaining 20%, we plan to polish the gameplay and finalize the last stage of the game. Thank you for watching 80% progress presentation of Don't Get FDA.